You've probably seen those fake hanging baskets by people's front doors. They do nothing for insects, nothing for pollinators. So I'm going to show you what you can do instead. Okay, so this is my hanging basket from last year. Still got the liner in it. I made this liner from some kind of weed suppressant fabric, the permeable type, but you could just use an old compost bag. Cut it down the middle like that and then use the black side on the outside. And the plants I'm going to be using are lobelia. I'm going to be using trailing petunias and some dwarf sweet peas, and for a little extra pollinator boost, a small lavender plant, which I hope will, this is from a cut-in last year, and I hope it will provide a little bit more for the insects and pollinators. So I'm going to put a little bit of compost in here to start, and then I'm going to put my water saving sponge in the bottom here. So this is a kind of natural kind of water saving device. It's a sponge that soaks up water. This is actually from last year, so it's an old one, but I'm going to soak it again and put it in the bottom of my hanging basket. I'm just going to let it soak some water up and expand. I mean, it should get probably at least twice that size. I do want a lobelia trailing out of the side because they do trail, and that's the whole point really. And what you have to do sometimes, this is a bit big, I mean, like I say, the lobelias are not, when you buy them from places, they're not usually this big, but I'm going to try and squash it through here a little bit, see if I can. I'm going to try and gently get this to go through the side. Okay, so we've got 2 plants now resting in here. I can put some more compost in. In fact, I'm going to put 2 in here. Then another sweet pea, dwarf one. And I'm going to add one of these little lavender plants.